Alam mo, nagtataka ako bakit people are asking about my opinion pero via PM. Like, I don't know kung anong nangyayari. Tulog lang ako, girl. Pagising ko may chismis na pala na hindi ko naiintindihan. So, this is all about ano ba yung aking nararamdaman kapag magkikreate ng introduction video. Now, for context guys, ako yung tipo ng tao na ayoko naka-on ang camera pag nagmi-meeting. This was back in 2013, 14, ganyan. Pero nagmamature ang tao guys, and marirealize mo, especially when I started building na the VA agency, I have to meet with clients. And guys, hindi lang sila yung putyo-putyo na clients ha. Yung mga clients namin sa VA agency, most of them, I would say about 80% ay high ticket. So for me personally, high ticket would mean $5,000 plus per month. And syempre, pag binabayaran tayo, girl, ng gano'n, obviously, di ba, medyo magti-t-shirt tayo ng maganda, hindi yung ganyan nakasulat. At saka, bukod sa pupustura ka, bubuksan mo yung camera mo. This is all about her feeling na parang pagka magkikreate ng video introduction, autopass na kagad. Lahat tayo guys, meron tayong mga non-negotiables eh. So siguro yun yung non-negotiable niya. Pag nakita niya siguro sa mga job boards na may video introduction required, eh hindi na siya nag-ano. It has been a while since I applied sa mga job board, but lately, since I am creating this training, it's a parang module na for advanced na. So as a VA, parang ang dun sa part kasi na yun ng module, what I am teaching is that is it possible to land high ticket clients using job boards. And sabi ko nga doon sa isang nagchika sa akin, sabi ko, Mare, hindi ako pwedeng, I'm not the best person to react to that because I just created an 8-minute introduction video. Yes, 8 minutes po. Sandali, papakita ko sa inyo. Sis, kalat ng station natin, sis. Kagigising ko lang talaga. So, girl, brown out kanina, girl. Ganyan tsura ng station. Oh, girl. July 16. Girl, muntik na pala siyang mag 9 minutes. Hindi mo kakayanin yan. Ang pangit ni Maklao. So, going back to our topic, para sa akin, nung una, medyo tinatamad ako. Nung bago-bago pa lang ako sa industry, medyo tamad talaga akong gumawa ng video introduction. Pero netong lately, I would say about 5 years ago, I started getting more comfortable. This is also one of the reasons why start akong mag-vlog is hindi ako komportable ng ginaganyan. Alam mo ito, yung ganyan. And then I met a friend. She's also a vlogger. And back in the days, ang laki na nung following niya. So sabi niya, siya daw, hindi siya comfortable na nagsasalita sa harapan ng camera. Hawak nung panahon na yun, yung camera kong una. Ano yung love camera ko nung una? Yung Canon G7X. So, G7X pa yung hawak mo, ganyan-ganyan ka, diba? Ito yung kapanahonan ng daily vlogging. She said na sa una medyo yung dating. Pero because kailangan yon if she wants to start building a brand, which is very similar din sa ating mga freelancers. If we really want to parang start building relationships with clients, you won't be able to do that nang ikaw ay chat-chat, email lang kasi hindi ka na-humanize. So you really have to get comfortable. That is why I bought yung G7X ko before, and then I started vlogging, and then she gave me this tip na sobrang naging malaking tulong sa akin. Now, when you start vlogging, think about that one person that you always go to kapag meron kang super hot chismis pero hindi mo kayang ikwento in public. Like, this person makes you feel comfortable just talking out loud about anything under the sun. And then I thought of my best friend. Which is why that led me to yung brand's voice na very kanto style yung usap, very parang lightweight lang, ganyan, parang kachismisan mo lang ako in person. I always think about ano yung ginagawa ko, sino ako kapag kaharap ko yung best friend ko, and iniisip ko lagi is, siya yung kaharap ko sa camera. Doon nagsimula yung ating, yung nagsisimula pa lang ako mag-vlog na lagi kong simula, alam mo ba? Yun, ganon. Kasi nga, I want to, like, I am imagining myself talking to my best friend. How would I parang deliver this message na gusto kong sabihin if I am talking to my best friend? And I think people are able to relate to that because feeling nila tuloy sila yung best friend ko kasi chika si bakla, diba ganyan? May pag ganun pa ako, nakaganto talaga ako kaya likod ng camera. So yun yung opinion ko about video introduction. You will come to realize that in order for you to build relationship with your clients, you have to first parang you have to start the conversation na making them feel na tao ka, hindi ka lang bastang email, hindi ka bastang text, hindi ka bastang chat. Video introduction is the best way to introduce your brand to any prospects or customers. So you really have to get comfortable doing that. Most especially if ang target mo ay high-ticket clients. It will also be very efficient kasi for example, itong client is, ang hinahanap pala nila is somebody na may ganitong personality. Tapos ikaw, ito naman yung personality mo, so it saves you both time. Yan lang, chika lang. Sige, bye.